My dear, welcome to this particular video. So in this particular video, I will have to show you how you can get my paper complete solution for 100% free. You understand me? So I just decided to make a decision as in to help you out with this particular stuff. You understand me? Not that why can't I help you out if there is any chance for me to help you out? So on this particular guide, on this particular ebook, on this particular report that you have to get when you get, as in when you follow this particular way that I have to outline to you here, how to get this particular stuff, you will learn a simple step on how to open a paper account. I didn't know what if your account has been restricted from using paper. Like my country, Nigeria, has been restricted from using paper at the time I'm recording this particular video. So I wanted to show you how you can open a paper that you'll be using to be sending money and receiving money with. You know, once you make money or wherever place you are making money online and they are sending the money through paper, you have to give them your email, your paper email, and once the money lands to your paper, you'll be able to get this particular money to yourself. So understand me? So how I would do it is, because I have decided to help you, I've been telling you about the Clipper strategy. You understand me? In other words, the Clipper CBS, which will help you to open a Clipper account that you will be collecting some products from there and promoting for yourself. You understand me? So some of you have actually bought this particular CBS, but on this particular video, what I wanted to show, to tell you that I have decided to give you some part of it free. In other words, the paper complete solution, which will help you, guide you, that you'll be able to be opening a PayPal account within 3 minutes time or less than that. So what you need to do is just below this particular video you're watching, there is a button. In this particular button, very simple stuff. I don't want this video to be long. You understand me? So this particular button that says share and download, as you can see, what people that have actually got this particular stuff, what they are saying. In other words, people are commenting. This one said, I appreciate your effort to see that we succeeded online. I hope door is still open for me. In other words, people like it. Again, if you're among the people that have already got this particular free stuff and you commented positively for us, I appreciate you. So understand me? And if you're not among us, you're watching this particular video, I still appreciate you. So what you need to do is actually, why not go to this particular button that says share and download below this particular video you are watching. So you have to just click boom on this particular button, and once you click on this button share and downloading, guess what you have to do? You have to share this particular message among the people. So what you have to do, just type anything good about us. I'm begging you to do that. Again, when you see this particular thing I'm giving you for free, I believe if you have chance, you would have praised our way of giving stuff free as a way of trying to help people. You praise it with all your energy as well as praise. So understand me? So what you have to do is actually say something like, I have to say something like, now actually this training really works. You understand me? I love it. So just say anything that is good. Again, whether you say it or not, it doesn't even much stop. It can't stop me from doing good for you. You understand? But for goodness, just share it. So after doing this particular thing, type anything you want that you wanted to actually show that this particular stuff is actually awesome. Then you have to come to down below this particular button, as in this particular right side down below it, and just click on post to Facebook. And once you click on it, simple, you are done. Immediately this particular stuff is being posted, is being shared, then what will happen is actually the system, our system, will redirect you to where you have to download this particular ebook for 100% free, the paper complete solution. So understand me? So after you read it, within 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes, you'll be able to go through that particular ebook. And once you go through that particular ebook, you get yourself account registered on paper, and now you have a paper that you'll be using to be receiving and actually sending money with. Sure, understand me? So there is no limitation for you. Again, you don't need to worry about social security stuff and all these things that the US are asking. When you see that particular, I just want you to consider this particular stuff as an appetizer, so that you see how simple it is. When I was talking to you about CBS, in other words, Clipper strategy, some people were like, it's very hard. I've watched your video on YouTube, it's not working. It's only people that are actually complaining. There must be a complainant anyway. So they were like, I watched your video on YouTube. I told them, get this particular product, get that particular ebook I'm giving to you. You understand? It's very simple stuff. stuff. So once after this particular you watch this particular video, so I mean say you read this particular, you can see the simplicity of how to open a paper. Then I'm trying to tell you, I'm trying to prove to you that the how to open a ClickBank account is more simpler than that particular one, easier. You understand me? So if you are stuck with how to open a ClickBank account after you share this now and you open a paper and see that it's working, I didn't know what else would be restricting you from actually going to that particular page. Depending on how you get to that particular page that you see all this our sales page, and you can actually download this particular ebook and actually read this particular ebook, or you go to this part, check any of my email or check the link that leads you to our system. You see how to get this particular page. Very simple stuff. Why not actually go to this particular stuff and get this particular ClickBank account, how to open a ClickBank account ebook. You understand me? And it's sell for, it depends on the time you come for this particular place. Right now it's selling for 3,000 naira, but there might be a potential that when you come it's selling for something like 10,000. Even if it's selling for 20,000, get it. And then if you are lucky among the people that actually get it at 3,000, I suppose that you should be praising God for that particular offer. You understand me? I mean for the ClickBank, because for the paper I have given it to you free now, 100% free. Again, if you haven't read this particular ebook that I gave to you free here, why not go and download it and just read it for yourself and see how you'll be making much money from ClickBank. So without wasting time, I have to wrap this video here. I have done my own self, my own side of the work by actually giving you some certain thing free. Again, if you wanted to check out our CBS, you check it out. If you don't want to check it out, you just be with the one that at least you have got a way to open a PayPal account. That is awesome. So understand. So without wasting time, I would advise you to actually check our CBS out and get yourself a ClickBank account and read this particular ebook that you get here and actually start making money online like the pros. So understand me? Again, without wasting time, I have to sign off this particular video here. I will see you whenever there is a time for me to see you. Bye.